Click the Kits button at the top right of the screen to display the Kits panel. Click the graph icon Kz Lissajous Curve from the Kits panel to display the Kz Lissajous Curve form. Set parameters and click the Draw Curve button to draw a Lissajous curve. Press F8 on the keyboard to display the rendering preview. Oops, nothing is rendered. This is because, by default, curve is not rendered. Select the target mesh folder and enable Render Curves so that the curves are rendered. You can change the thickness of the curve by changing radius. Detailed settings can also be made from Curve on the Properties tab. This concludes the explanation of Kz Lissajous Curve. Please enjoy Kz Lissajous Curve.